We added a whole new story onto our house. We added this room that we're in, which is a big games room, plus another bedroom and a bathroom and the most beautiful staircase. What started in April ended in October.
Yeah, it seemed to go quite quickly.
Mm-hmm.
It was within the school year.
We didn't realise that from the designs that we were going to have full city views, it's awesome.
I thought we might have to lose a room downstairs for the stairs going up, but we worked with Charlie and we had the linen closet. And so instead of losing a whole room, we lost a slice of the room to build the stairs up.
It's freed up a bedroom downstairs, so two boys who were sharing and now have their own room, so that's a lot calmer.
You can start to see the kids now think about inviting their friends around to do more upstairs and just hang out, so they've got their own space, especially the eldest.
Having such a big builder and all the project managers and everything that comes with it, all the infrastructure, means that you don't have to deal with a lot of stuff you have to do with perhaps a smaller builder. We also met with the building supervisor regularly, who most Mondays would tell us, this is what's happening this week, this is happening today, this is happening Wednesday, this is happening Friday. The other advantage of Summit is that not a single week in the whole build was no one on site. They had tradie after tradie after tradie coming in, doing their bit. It was great.
And, we've got 3 kids, got 2 demanding jobs, and looking after the whole build and making sure it was all done so it didn't fall into our laps to fix problems was really important to me as well.
I've already recommended Summit to several people. My takeaway from it all is that Summit looked after the whole thing.